All right, guys, so this is great advice to use in any atmosphere or environment you're gonna go into, any situation. So let's talk about it. There's two ways to approach these things: events, situations, scenarios, problems. You can either be proactive or you can either be reactive. But let's talk about this. So when you're talking about being proactive, right? Let's talk about being proactive about your health, all right? So you go on your whole life, you never exercise, you never worry about your diet, you never worry about any of your health aspects or biomarkers. So at that point, when you're doing this, you're just going along. Now, finally, you're 50 years old and you have a massive heart attack. You have some other health issue that pops up, right? What were you at this point? You were waiting to be reactive to something happening to you for you to go and try to fix it, or even go to a doctor or hospital to get evaluated or do diagnostic testing. Now, let's throw that back in the other court and being proactive. You've exercised your majority of your whole life, you've had a pretty good diet, you've been balanced, okay, that's okay, right? But you've been proactive about your health. You're making sure you're taking care of yourself along the way. This person being proactive is majority of the time gonna be healthier than this person that's only being reactive to their health. So be proactive, don't be reactive. You know, it's all about your mindset, you being positive no matter what happens. So be proactive about your health. I say that as a number one priority. The reason is, without your health, you're not being able to be proactive about any other thing, business, relationships, anything else. And that is where Titan Medical Center really does come into play. We help a lot of people be proactive about their health. Blood testing, different therapies to make sure they're taking care of themselves, slowing down that aging clock. That's a debilitating one when you get to the end of it. So do yourself a favor, nationwide service, Titan Medical Center. If you want our help to be proactive about your health, contact us today. Call or text 727-389-3220. You can even check out all our great therapies, services, and even order blood work online at titanmedicalcenter.com. I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned because we got excellent things coming your way.